Hello everyone, welcome back to Sound Life Hearing YouTube channel. Today we are going to see on how to charge the rechargeable hearing aid. First, let's see the Oticon OPN-S rechargeable hearing aids. This is Oticon E charger and this is the Oticon OPN-S rechargeable hearing aids. Now the Oticon E charger is connected to the power source and the LED light turns green. The user, after using the hearing aid, does the general cleaning and now the hearing aid is ready to charge. The red color indicates right side. Drop the hearing aids into the charger and the blue color indicates the left side. Drop the hearing aids into the charger. The hearing aids LED light turns red when the hearing aids is charging and the hearing aids LED turns green when the hearing aids is fully charged. Keep the charger connected to the power source while charging. The charging process to fully charge the hearing aids takes about 3 hours of time and the fully charged hearing aid can be used for 20 hours. But in order to follow a regular charging process, it is advisable to use the hearing aids throughout the day and charge the hearing aids at night, or you can leave the hearing aids overnight as the power cuts automatically when it is fully charged. Once the hearing aids is fully charged, when you remove the hearing aids from the charger, it turns on automatically and the startup tone is heard, and now the hearing aids is ready to be worn. So, as a reminder here, when the hearing aid is fully charged and the LED turns green, if the charger's power source is switched off, the hearing aids turns on automatically and it starts draining the battery. So, if you are leaving the hearing aids in the charger overnight, do not switch off the charger. If the user is taking a short rest or shower, means the hearing aids is not used and the charging process is also not done, please switch off the hearing aids manually so that the battery is saved. Let me show you how to switch off the hearing aids manually. You should long press the lower volume button until the light turns red. Now the hearing aids is manually switched off. Again, long press the lower button volume until it turns green, means the hearing aids is manually switched on and ready to be used. As mentioned before, the fully charged hearing aid can last you for 20 hours. If at all the user realizes the battery lifespan is shorter, please visit the hearing aids professional for their consultation. And if the charger comes along with the dryer, you may dry the hearing aids while charging it with the UV cap. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.